Okay, so it's getting close to Christmas, so here's my top tips for Christmas shoppers, as delivered direct by the man himself. So, tip number 1, always shop around. Now what I mean by this is, we're a nation that do not like to haggle, we don't like to bargain, we don't like to go in and ask for a discount, but if you don't ask, you don't get. So when you go into the shop, look at the price and ask them how much they're going to discount it by. Then stop. Don't buy it. Go to the shop next door or up the road and ask them how much they're going to sell for. But again, don't buy at that stage. You must then go on the internet. Because if you look at all the high street shops and all the internet sites, you will then get the best deal. And remember this, the retailers are as desperate as you to sell that product as you are to buy it. In fact, even more so, they're all struggling. So get yourself the best deal this Christmas. Now, top tip number 2, this is an important one. Always ask for a gift receipt. Now, a gift receipt is very simply a receipt, the same as what you'd always get, but the price is removed. But what it means is you can give it to the recipient of the gift, and if they don't like that woolly jumper you've bought them, they can take it back, not offend you, give over the gift receipt and get the return. So that's a really important thing to ask for. Now, tip number 3 is another really important one, because what people don't realise is that retailers, under the law, have 30 days to deliver goods to you. So if you order on the internet, they've got 30 days to deliver them. And indeed, if you go into a shop and you buy something where it's not readily available and they've got to deliver, again, 30 days they must deliver that product to you by. Now, that means that when you do that, you need to make sure that there are 30 clear days between the day you buy and Christmas, or a few days before. Many people trip up on this, so please remember, 30 days, make sure you get that right. Now, the next tip is another really important one that I keep on telling people, not just at Christmas, just generally speaking about buying any consumer goods or indeed services. Always use a credit card, because a credit card gives you protection. It's a natural insurance policy called Section 75. It's under the Consumer Credit Act. And if you don't get the goods or there's something wrong with them, the credit card company will reimburse you. So you're not going to be disappointed and the recipient of the gift is not going to be disappointed. So it's a real important one to do.